Hi, my name is Belle Romano, and this is my presentation on the 4 online course models examples. The non-interactive online model example I found is named Introduction to Statistics. This course is offered by Coursera, and it covers the basics of statistics. The students view videos and readings, and then they complete quizzes based on what they have learned. The students do not interact with the instructor or fellow students at all, and this is also an 8-week course. Next, the interactive asynchronous online model example is our class, CAT 250. This class is offered by the University of Alabama, and the topic is computer education. Students complete assignments and quizzes through Blackboard independently. For the interactive online course with synchronous events model, I used a class I took in high school as the example, which is personal finance. It is offered by my high school, New Hartford High School, and the topic is personal finance. Students meet with the instructor about 3 times a week online through Zoom, and all assignments, quizzes, and tests are completed asynchronously. Lastly, the massive open online course example is a course called The Chemistry of Life. This is offered by EDX, and the topic is chemistry and biology. This is a 13-week class in which you work at your own speed. It has graded assignments and exams, and it is free and available to anyone. In my opinion, I believe the most pervasive online course model is the interactive asynchronous online model because it allows students to have some interaction with fellow students and the instructor if necessary. However, the majority of work is completed independently by the student, which seems to be the most convenient for students.